National Capital Region Transport Corporation, is mandated for implementing the Regional Rapid Transit System project across the NCR of India. Out of the prioritized corridors, Delhi-Meerut corridor implementation is in progress. In this corridor, Anand Vihar RRTS station is part of the Anand Vihar Multimodal Transit Center, integrating the diverse modes that is bus, rail, metro, rapid rail, auto, taxi, and e-rickshaw. The various transit hubs that merge and connect here are Interstate Bus Terminus, Anand Vihar Railway Station, Anand Vihar Metro Stations, of Line 4 and 7, UPSRTC Bus Terminal and the RRTS Station. At ISBT, city and state buses arrive from Chaudhry Charan Singh Marg and drop passengers into their allocated bays. Buses departing for Dilshad Garden will take advantage of the proposed new elevated road ramp to join the existing ROB to Dilshad Garden. The bus departing to Delhi exits the bus terminus next to the metro station, towards Chaudhry Charan Singh Marg, joins the flow of traffic and turns under the ROB. Similarly, the private cars, auto taxi, drop off passengers at the designated bay and exit the bus terminus. Sufficient space for auto holding area is planned near the drop-off zone, to cater to the alighting passengers. Commuters who choose to use their personal vehicles for last-mile connectivity will have ample parking space. Ideal bus bays are proposed in the basement below ISBT. The passengers from ISBT will use the new proposed skywalk to access the railway station, metro station, proposed RRTS station and UPSRTC bus terminal. All vehicles access the railway station through the newly constructed approach road adjacent to ISBT, and drop off passengers at the proposed interchange plaza. Integration is expedited because of the dedicated lanes for diverse users. Vehicles exiting towards Dilshad Garden will take the ramp up to the proposed new second flyover, which will merge with the existing ROB. Vehicles exit onto Chaudhry Charan Singh Marg through a proposed new, 15 meters wide, culvert which merges with moving traffic, and make a U-turn under the ROB, as they move towards Delhi. Parking planned for the railway station is proposed at the basement level, which is below the interchange plaza. For the RRTS station, buses drop off on the main road in front of the station in the bus bay, while private vehicles, auto, e-rickshaw, Ola, Uber, taxis enter from Chaudhry Charan Singh Marg and drop off, pick up passengers in front of the station and exit on the main road to merge with moving traffic. There is a rear service entry to RRTS station which also serves as the entry route to metro station. The multimodal integration is achieved through the skywalk that connects passengers from all the modes, that is, ISBT, railway station, metro station, UPSRTC bus terminal and RRTS station, and allows conflict-free movement. The proposed infrastructure will provide smooth entry and exit for all type of traffic including pedestrians, which will provide the passengers a safe, efficient and user-friendly environment at the multimodal integration.